and welcome to Core Impulse Pilates Studio at Zurich. I'm Beatrice Kruger. Today we're going to work into some tight spots in your glutes. We're going to mobilize our hip joints, and we're also going to lengthen out your iliopsoas muscle. So we become more fluid in our hips and pelvis area. We're going to start off with a figure 8 for your hip. So we're going to take the leg to the front by making a loop. Yeah. Try to imagine a figure 8. So the knee is making a loop, the foot is making a loop on the back. Yeah. This is a lovely mobilizing exercise for your hip joint. Make sure you don't swing yourself around. Yeah? So you're very steady in your pelvis. Yeah? And it's actually just the leg which is making this lovely number 8. Great. Sometimes it takes a while to get the figure 8 right. Yeah. We're going to then take up our foot on the edge on the surface. It might be a bit higher for you, perhaps you have a little table or something. And we're going to first stretch, lean into this stretch to feel your gluteus muscles, yeah? Then we're going to inhale, take your hands to in front of you, and we're going to reach out. This will reinforce that stretch. Piriformis muscle, yeah, to be precise. When this piriformis muscle gets very tight, it can simulate sciatic pain, which is not very good. So it's very important to keep that muscle stretched out. Let's do one more. Inhale and exhale, reach. So you're leaning towards the knee and then release. You might want to switch leg between, yeah, but I'm just going to show you the whole series on one side. Then we're going to place the foot. We are now stretching out the iliopsoas muscle. We're going to go up into a sort of like the warrior pose we do normally with the foot on the floor. As you pull your pubic bone up towards the navel, you find this is stretching out into your groin area, really lovely. We're going to place our hand to the front like we're placing it on something, and then we're just going to turn towards the upper leg. Inhale as you come back. Exhale as you stretch. Big stretch also for your back muscles. Lovely stretch. Yeah. One more. And stretch. And then release. Lovely. Like I said, you might want to switch leg between each exercise if it becomes too difficult to stand on one leg for such a long time. We're going to continue. If you find it more comfortable to lie down for these buttock stretches, you can take a firmer fitness band and you can wrap it around your foot. Take it in the opposite hand and then you're just pulling the leg. You might want to stretch out the other leg. Pulling this foot towards your chest, yeah, and then you can navigate the leg a little bit over. Big stretch now in your IT band, yeah? And taking it towards your head. That's it. It's easier for some people to use a band. And then you can stretch the leg up. If you find you're too tight here, you can then put the other foot up again, so you're more comfortable with your back, yeah? And then give yourself a lovely hamstring stretch as well. Great. Now, to finish off our lovely treatment, I'm using a larger black ball. This is a very good way to trigger point your buttock muscles. It's actually best done on a harder surface, if you can do it on the floor. So you're going to sit on this ball, and first you will actually circle around your buttock muscles. You can feel those nasty little trigger points. So you're going to work your way into those very tight muscles. And to increase the whole thing, you can actually place, you need a little bit agility for that, yeah? So you place the other leg across your other leg, and this way you're getting much more, much deeper into those trigger point areas, especially the piriformis muscle. It's quite sore, yeah? So you keep doing that for a while. If you're not flexible enough, you can just do it like that, yeah. But if you're more flexible, I would recommend you taking your leg up. Then we're going to take this out, and we can now finish off by placing this leg across in a twisted position, and then just sit nice and upright. And this will also help you to lengthen your spine. Great! Well, here we go. It's very important to keep this whole hip area very flexible and fluid, because the hips tend to age very fast. Thanks for joining me, and see you again soon for the next program. Take care.